So first things first, you want to get a cup, your cake mix. Then you want to get your blender ready. Also, I use NESQUIK, if that's how you say it, but I also put that in there for a little flavor. I use strawberry flavor. What I actually do is just put all the ingredients all in a cup and then blend it up. So once I put the oatmeal, it can be blended. So what you'll see me doing is adding the pancake mix, the NESQUIK water, oatmeal, the one that I choose. It is your choice, whichever one you want to put in there. So I actually use banana and peaches for the oatmeal. So now I'm going to be adding my peaches and creamy flavor oatmeal, and also my banana and cream flavor oatmeal. So you guys will be seeing that. Stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So once I put all the ingredients in, I put a little water, not too much, not too little. And if it is too much, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. If it was a little too runny, I wanted mine thick. These are the layers. So then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up. I took my top and just tighten it real tight, make sure nothing get out, because this kind of blender I have, it actually be leaking if you don't tighten it all the way. So that's what I did, and I went ahead and blended it up. So before I put it on the blender, I actually went ahead and shook it a little bit so it can be all mixed together, at least a little bit. I don't want it to be stuck in one place. So once I did that, I checked to see if it was running or not. So it was, so I added more oatmeal to make it a little thicker, and I actually ended up adding more oatmeal after that because it was still not thick enough. Also added more NESQUIK because I wanted a little pinkish color. After I got through blending it, I actually added more oatmeal, but this oatmeal I actually set in the refrigerator, and all I did was add some water so it can get a little soft, so make it a little thick. So that's what I did, and actually blended that up. So I already had my waffle maker preheating, so all I'm gonna do is just add that little mix that I just made, and I'm gonna add some coconut oil. You guys don't have to do the blending process, but if you do want to do it, you guys actually can do it. But if you guys don't want to do the blending process, you guys can actually just pop it in the microwave with the oatmeal and then put it inside the little mixture you guys make. But this is an easier way you guys can actually do it using oatmeal. So these are oatmeal waffles. So what you want to do is make sure your oatmeal mix, or whatever kind of oatmeal you're using, whole grain, whatever. So you want to make sure that is really softened. So that's why I did the mixture of the blending process. So you don't have to really check it every 2 minutes because it's not going to cook as fast as a regular waffle. So you want to make sure it just sit as long as it need to, so it can make sure it get that good foam of that waffle. So that's what I had to do. I did not know that, but yeah, we trying stuff new. So that is how it came out when I did not let it cook. But yeah, I just kept letting it cook until I seen it was done. Okay, don't mind me checking it with a pen because listen, I don't know where my spoons and stuff at because I'm in the moving process. You guys will be seeing that video coming out very soon, so please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you guys learned something, comment that down below as well. As always, tell me how you guys think I did, and I will be showing you guys the finishing product at the end, so go ahead and give me a comment on that as well. Boom. So after I add my coconut oil, I actually add my mix that I made, and I just let that sit and cook. And I'm just repeating the same steps that I did for the first waffle. So stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. Once I complete that, this is the finishing product, and this is how the waffles is looking. Okay, they is looking delicious, but don't forget, we're gonna go ahead and add some little designs and some taste to it, okay? But let me tell you, I had made me some grape water flavored water, so I just wanted to put that in there, okay? So don't mind that, but yeah. So correction, I'm actually adding one more waffle, but yeah, this is how it came out. You guys seeing it, like it's giving, and it's smelling good. And you know I was hungry and I smashed, okay? But yeah. So now this is how it looks, okay? All of them together is giving very much oatmeal waffle, okay? So I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for a couple of seconds, let it warm up a little more, because once you cook it, it's gonna be sitting out until you finish cooking the rest. So that's what I did. And now we're gonna add a little design, a little taste, okay? Some little chocolate syrup on the thing, okay? Now, I know you guys see a lot of NESQUIK in this video, but this is not sponsored at all. But hope you guys love the view. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.